have some fun here. Right, ready? What you should do is first get a plant ID app and understand what you have. Nipping in the bud all of the invasive weeds. As you come in and out of your house, in and out, you want to really like that. You need to be armed with the skills of how to prune. Branches that are crossing, that are going down, going into the plant, going in directions you don't want. You go all the way back to the beginning of the branch. So you have to do little bit at a time, then step back and say, how does that look? What you want here is to define the bed. What you do is you start from the beginning and you lay out a shape that you think is pleasing to your eye. I think you want to soften this curve up. I'm going to pay attention to the light here and think about what do you like against the yellow of the house. The blooms that are happening at the same time, do you like those colors together? You vary the heights. Think about the foliage together. Nothing too high close to the sidewalk or the driveway or the path. Little things in the front, well spaced and not too close to each other or the house. You want at least this amount of space. So you have the same thing in various different places. Let's have some continuity with the other things you've got and don't buy any more stuff. You need to enrich your soil. Just be careful of your back. Whenever anyone is planting a tree, you have to look up. Take before pictures. One step at a time, let's prioritize, let's figure out what we're doing so that it's not so overwhelming.